I've been getting this message all day when trying to send a message to someone or adding a friend. Really frustrating because I can't get in touch with people I want to play with. I googled it, but all I come up with is that it can show up when PSN is updating, which according to all sources I can find it is currently not. And I can log in on PSN just fine. Anyone know what the problem is, and if there is a way to fix it? Thanks.
These are the words of a Reddit user on the issue PS4 error code WS-37504-9, and the fix is on the other side of this intro. Check PSN settings. Begin by verifying if the PSN servers are operational. Sometimes, network issues might arise due to PSN maintenance or server outages. Visit the official PlayStation Network Service status page to confirm. Restart console and router. Turn off your PS4 and unplug both the console and your router from power for a few minutes. Then restart them and check if the error persists. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. You can test this by connecting other devices to the same network. If needed, reset or troubleshoot your router settings. Update system software. Make sure PS4 system software is up to date. Go to settings, then system software update to check for any available updates and install them. Change DNS settings. Try changing the DNS settings on your PS4. Switching to Google's public DNS or OpenDNS may resolve connectivity issues. Disable firewall or security settings. Temporarily disable any firewall or security software on your router that might be blocking access to PSN. Contact PlayStation support. If the error persists after trying these solutions, contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Provide them with the error code and steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. Remember, network-related issues can sometimes be temporary and might resolve themselves with time. However, if the problem persists, reaching out to PlayStation support for personalized assistance is advisable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.